children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video. We have been doing exponents already. We have solved many solved examples in last video. Today also few remaining questions are there. I am going to solve for you. And why I am solving these solved examples? Because you will learn the concept and you will learn the method how questions are solved. So, in exercise whatever questions are there, you will be able to solve yourself. So, try to learn, and not only from exercise, if any other questions related questions will be there, or from related topics some more questions will be there, unknown questions will be there, you will be able to solve. So, try to learn step by step in proper way, so that you will be more confident to solve the questions. So, let us see the same solved examples, remaining solved examples we are going to do. Here you have prove that a to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1 is equal to 2b square divided by b square minus a square. This you need to prove. So, we will start with LHS. You have a to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1. How we will solve? A to the power minus 1 we know 1 by a divided by 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by a divided by 1 by a minus 1 by b. You will have 1 by a, your LCM will be AB, and if you are dividing AB by A, you will get B, B into 1 is equal to B, plus by B if you are dividing you will get A into 1 is equal to A, plus 1 by A. Here you have again the same thing is required to be done, your LCM will be AB. By A if you are dividing you will get B, B into 1 is equal to B, minus by B if you are dividing you will get A into 1 is equal to A. Now, here you see 1 by A divided by B plus A by B. So, what you can write 1 by A into AB by B plus A, AB by B plus A, then plus 1 by A into AB by B minus A, AB by B minus A. Now, A and A got cancelled, you got B by B plus A plus B by B minus A. Your LCM will be B plus A into B minus A. Now, here you see if you are dividing this number by B plus A, you will get B minus A, and this B minus A you multiply with B. B into B is equal to B square, B into minus A minus AB, plus here by B minus A if you are dividing this number you will get B plus A, and this B plus A is required to be multiplied with B. B into B will be B square, B into A will be AB. Now, you see AB and AB got cancelled and you are left with B square plus B square, that is 2B square, and divided by A plus B into A minus B. In that formula you have B plus A and B minus A. So, this will be B square minus A square, and the same thing you needed to prove. So, you can write is equal to RHS proved. So, in this way this type of question is required to be solved. Next you see you have x to the power L divided by x to the power m whole 1 by L into m into x to the power m divided by x to the power n whole to the power 1 by mn into x to the power n divided by x to the power L whole to the power 1 by nl. Now, how we will solve this? You see, x to the power L into 1 by Lm we can write. This power and power will be multiplied, because we know x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n divided by x to the power m into 1 by Lm. Here you see x to the power m into 1 by mn divided by x to the power n into 1 by mn into x to the power n into 1 by nl divided by x to the power L into 1 by nl. Now, you see this L and L got cancelled, you got x to the power 1 by m divided by m and m got cancelled, x to the power 1 by L into x to the power m and m got cancelled, you got 1 by n divided by x to the power n and n got cancelled, you got 1 by m into x to the power n and n got cancelled, you got x to the power 1 by L divided by L and L got cancelled, you got x to the power 1 by n. Now, you see this can be written in laws of exponents. Already you have learned the formula. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So, this will be x to the power 1 by m minus 1 by L into x to the power 1 by n minus 1 by m and x to the power 1 by L minus 1 by n. Now, again the same formula will be applied. X to the power this, x to the power this and x to the power this. Base is same, powers are different. Same formula will be applied. X to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. So, this will be x to the power 1 by m minus 1 by L plus 1 by n minus 1 by m plus 1 by L and minus 1 by n. Now, you see this 1 by L, 1 by L got cancelled, 1 by m got cancelled and 1 by n and minus 1 by n got cancelled. You got x to the power 0 and x to the power 0 is equal to 1 and this will be your answer. In this way, these type of questions are required to be solved. Next question you have x to the power p divided by x to the power q whole to the power p plus q, x to the power q divided by x to the power r whole to the power q plus r, x to the power r divided by x to the power p whole to the power r plus p. Now, how we will solve this? You see, here you see this can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So, it can be written as x to the power p minus q, and to the power p plus q means into p plus q. What we have written? This we have written x to the power p minus q. This is whole power, power and power will be multiplied. So, we have written p plus q. In the same way, this will be x to the power, this will be written q minus r into q plus r. This will be written x to the power r minus p and r plus Now, what we will do? X to the power a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, it can be written as p square minus q square into x to the power q square minus r square into x to the power r square minus p square. Now, base are same x, the same formula is required to be applied, x to the power p square minus q square plus q square minus r square plus r square minus p square. Q square and q square you got cancelled, p square, r square and r square, again you have got x is equal to 0 and that is equal to 1, and this will be your answer. Next question we will see. Here you see, if x to the power 1 by 12 is equal to 49 to the power 1 by 24, find the value of x. How we will solve this question? What we need to do, here it has been given x to the power 1 by 12 is equal to 49 to the power 1 by 24. See, we know that how we solve generally. Suppose if any question you have root x is equal to 5, then what we do? We square the number, or we can write simply, either we square, like we write root x to the power 2. Why we are squaring? Because square root you have is equal to 5 square we write, and then square and this square root and square will be cancelled. So, that x is equal to 25 you will get. Like this we solve in simple way if square root will be there. Here you have 12th square, 1 by 12 means 12th square. Same thing is required to be done over here also. Suppose this number is like this, 12th square of x, like this if it would be written, what we would do? 49 to the power 1 by 24. What we would do? We would the same thing we would do as we have done, suppose squaring we have done. So, here we will power this with x to the power 1 by 12 to the power 1 to the power 12 we will do. So, that this 1 by 12 and 12 will be cancelled. So, here you will have 49 to the power 1 by 24 and to the power 12. Now, you see this will be x to the power 1 by 12 into 12, and that is equal to 49 to the power 1 by 24 into 12. This 12 and 12 got cancelled, x will be equal to 49 to the power 12 to the 24 1 by 2, and this is 49 to the power 1 by 2 means what? Square root of 49, and that we know, that is, or you can write 7 square into 1 by 2. So, finally, you will get x is equal to 7, and this will be your answer. Next we will see, if 125 to the power x is equal to 25 by 5 to the power x, find x. How we will solve this question? You see, 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 into x. So, 3x, 5 to the power 3x, and that is equal to 5 to the power 2. This 25 we have written 5 to the power 2, and 5 to the power x you have. So, this can be written as minus x, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, or it can be written as, here you see base you have same, and that is why your exponents will be equal. So, 3x will be equal to 2 minus x, or 3x plus x will be 2, or 4x is equal to 2, and therefore, x is equal to 2 by 4. It means x is equal to 1 by 2, and this will be your answer. Here you see, you have question, write the following in the descending order of magnitude. You have been given cubic root of 2, root 3 and 6th root of 5. How we will solve this question? This can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. This can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 5 to the power 1 by 6. Now, you see powers are different, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. What we need to do? Find out LCM of 3, 2 and 6. What will be LCM? 3, 2 and 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. So, 3 into 2 you will get 6. Now, what we will do? We will make it equivalent, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6 what we have, we will make it equivalent by making them 1 by 6. How we will do? 2 to the power 1 by 3 into what is needed to be multiplied. So, that will become 6, 2 by 2. So, this can be written as 2 to the power, here you see 1 by 3 to just 6 and 2 will be over here to the power 1 by 6. It means 2 to just 4, 4 to the power 1 by 6. Next number you have 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 we will do. So, that we will get 6. Now, this will be 3 to the power, this will become 6 and this is 3. Here we will put and to the power 1 by 6. So, this will be 27 to the power 1 by 6 and next number already we have 5 to the power 1 by 6. Now, you see what we needed to do, in descending order we had to write. So, if you are writing in descending order, the biggest number you have, if we arrange in descending order, what will be your order? 27 to the power 1 by 6 is greater than your you have 5 to the power 1 by 6 and your smallest number will be 4 to the power 1 by 6, or you can write here you see 27 to the power 1 by 6 you had what? 3 root 2, root 3 and not 3 root 2, root 3 and 5 to the power 1 by 6 is 6th root 5 and then you have cubic root 2 and this will be your answer. So, in this way we need to solve questions. Here you see if powers will be different, this is required to be made equal and then we will see and then we can arrange. So, most of the questions already have been solved from this exercise, examples especially. So, and you have learnt how to solve different type of questions and easily I hope you will be able to complete your exercise. So, next day we will see few questions from next exercise, otherwise we will move on next topic. Until then, thank you.